I'm going to give you 100 tips that my real estate investing coach gave me, because getting a coach is kind of expensive. But you know what? Sometimes, like skiing, snowboarding, real estate, making money, it makes a difference between succeeding and losing. So let's start with our 3 tips for today. Keep watching for future videos as we count up to 100. All right, well, I don't invest in the stock market. It's kind of gambling for me. I'd rather have something with consistent cash flow. But I still keep a pulse on what the stock market is doing and what it could potentially be trending to. Why? Because people involved in the stock market are W-2 employees. If the market goes down, people become unemployed. They can no longer apply and get a mortgage. Instead, they're renting with you. So I look at the stock market to gauge what my renter market will be, my tenants and my cash flow coming in, rather than looking at it so I can directly benefit by investing in the stock market. Don't be mediocre, be obsessed. Obsessed with reading books, listening to podcasts, watching YouTube videos constantly to get your brain in that most creative mind possible, so you're always thinking about solutions and everything that you encounter for the rest of the day. I mean, for me, every day when I'm shaving, I usually have a YouTube channel going on about motivation strategies, negotiation strategies, and it really works. Walk the neighborhood. Nothing beats walking the neighborhood. We can hear if there's any loud traffic around the tenants don't like. Looking around, this house might look a little distressed. Maybe the landlord has some issues with it. Well, I'm going to look at property records and find out who that landlord is. Always walk the property. You can't get this by driving, going on Google Maps or Zillow. Do it the old-fashioned way. This is how you find properties that are not listed. Boom! Hope you enjoyed those 3 tips from my real estate investing coach. Stand by for more videos as we make the count up to 100 real estate investing tips from my coach to you for free.